9.2, the general definition of an angle. We need to able to use the three basic trigonometry function for any angle. To do this, you need a general definition of an angle. So we look at this. We have first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, we divide into 4 parts. So this is the first, second, third, fourth. So the angle that we have is from the x-axis here. Okay, this is the angle that we want to find. So the angle is calculated from the x-axis, and then it is anti-clockwise. Okay. So an angle is measure of the rotation of the line OP about a fixed point O. The angle is measured from the positive x direction, and anti-clockwise rotation is taken as positive and clockwise rotation is taken as negative. The Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants, and the angle theta is said to be in the quadrant where OP lies. In the diagram above, theta is in the first quadrant. So we know that from here, the x-axis here, it is start from 0 degree. And then over here, at the y-axis is 90 degree. And this is 120, 270, and 360 will go back to the first quadrant. Okay, so let's say over here, we have 30 degree here. So this is 30 degree. But if we have 30 degree here, clockwise from the x-axis, then we will say that this is negative 30 degree. Okay, if we have a 30 degree here, so this one is 30 degree, then we will start from the x-axis until this part, then this is 150 degree. At the same time, we can also anti-clockwise go until this part, then this is 210 degree. And then these two total up will be 360. Negative 220, 210, and then this is 150 degree. Okay, so anti-clockwise positive, clockwise is negative. Okay, this is important because later in the question, in some of the IGCSE past year question, the final answer that they want you to write is from negative 180 degree to 300 to 180 degree. So your answer have to write in this range, right, in this domain. So if we have 150 as the answer, then the answer 150, okay. But in case if you have this one is actually 330 degree, then this is out of this range already. Then you have to write your answer as negative 30 degree. Then the negative 30 degree only is fall in the negative 180 degree to 180 degree. So this one, they want us to draw a diagram show the quadrant in which the rotation line OP lies for each of the following angle. In each case, find the acute angle that the line OP make with the x-axis. Okay, so this one, when we want to draw this, then first we must have this clause first. Okay, then we know that 90, 180, 270 is here. So this is actually 180 degree plus 60 degree. So this one, we draw, this whole thing will be 260 degree. And then the acute angle here is 60 degree. Then we have the negative 70 degree, then will be this. So from here to here, 70 degree. Then this is negative 70 degree. So 490 degree. So we know that one cycle, one complete circle is 360. So the 490 minus 360, then we have 130. So this is 90, this is 180. So 130 is here. So 130 is here. Then over here we have 50 degree. Then only here will be 130. Okay. But to draw this 490 degree, what we need to do is we start from the x-axis, positive x-axis, and then we go until this part. So one circle, then come here. This is the 490 degree. So we have the 2 pi over 3. So we know that this is 0, this is pi, and this is pi over 2, this is 3 pi over 2. That is 1.5 lah. This is 0.5 lah. 2 over 3 is greater than 1 over 2. Then 2 over 3 will be here. Okay. And this will be pi over 3. And from here to here, we have 2 pi over 3. That. So, in this chapter, we need some basic knowledge about the angle. So, if we have an acute angle, then it is from 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, not inclusive lah. And then we have the obtuse angle, then it is 90 degree to 180 degree. And we have the refrax angle, it is from 180 to 360 degree. So this one will fall in the first quadrant. This is in the second quadrant. And this is the third quadrant or the fourth quadrant. Okay.